Hello children, this was 6th standard social science national symbols lesson. We'll see the answer the following is, what do the colors in our national flag represent? The saffron represents valor and sacrifice. The green represents fertility and prosperity. The white represents honesty, peace and purity. The wheel in navy blue represents truth and peace. So the saffron represents valor and sacrifice. The green represents fertility and prosperity. The white represents honesty, peace and purity. The wheel in navy blue represents truth and peace. What are the parts of our national emblem? The 4 lions on the top of the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath was chosen to be our national emblem. Satyameva Jayate has been inscribed at its bottom. It means truth alone triumphs. The national emblem consists of 2 parts, the upper and lower parts. The upper part has 4 lions facing the north, south, east and west. This is on a circular pedestal. One can see only 3 lions at a time. The lower part has an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. The wheel of righteousness is placed between them. What are the salient features of the national anthem? Our national anthem symbolizes the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. This anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It has to be sung at a duration of 52 seconds. While singing the national anthem, everyone should stand erect. While singing it, one should understand the meaning of it. Janagana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali. This was accepted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. It symbolizes the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. Draw and define the Indian rupee symbol. The Indian rupee, that is currency, is the Indian rupee. In the Indian currency is the Indian rupee. The symbol of rupee is, in Max, you would have seen that Max book, that symbol. You can see the Max book and you can write it. This was designed by D. Udayakumar from Tamil Nadu in the year 2010. Where do we use our national emblem? The national emblem is found at the top of the government communication, Indian currency and passport. Who wrote the national pledge? India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters is our national pledge. The pledge was written by Pidimari Venkata Subbarao in Telugu. What are the animals found in the bottom of the emblem? An elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion are found at the bottom of the emblem. What are the national symbols? Natural national symbols. Tiger, elephant, river dolphin of Ganges, peacock, king cobra, banyan tree, mango tree, the Ganges and lotus are the natural national symbols. Tiger, elephant, river dolphin of Ganges, peacock, king cobra, banyan tree, mango, the Ganges and lotus are the natural national symbols. Where is the peacock sanctuary located in Tamil Nadu? In Tamil Nadu, the peacock sanctuary is located at Virali Malai. Okay children, that's all this lesson. Just go through the lesson, read and write and see. You practice by writing the home test and you yourself can correct it. that will improve your reading habit and also your writing habit. You can improve your handwriting also, children. Okay, children. Thank you.